Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, what are the some best practices for testing and quality assurance of Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be, some best practices for testing and quality assurance of Power Platform solutions include implementing automated testing for apps functionality and performance, conducting user acceptance testing (UAT) and validate requirements and usability, performing security and compliance testing to ensure data protection and regulatory compliance, and leveraging monitoring and analytics capabilities to track usage and identify issues proactively. Additionally, incorporating feedback from stakeholders and end users throughout the development life cycles and help to ensure that solution meets business needs and user expectations. Our next question is, explain the concept of Power Apps portals and how organizations can leverage them to engage with external users. Your answer should be, Power Apps portals allows organizations to create websites that external users can access to interact with data stored in a common data service or other data sources. These portals can be used for various purposes such as customer self-service portals, partner portals, community forums, and event registration portals. Power Apps portals provide customizable templates, authentication options, and integration capabilities, enabling organizations to deliver personalized and engaging experiences to external users. Our next question is, discuss the benefits of using the Common Data Service (CDS) in a data storage and management platform within the Power Platform ecosystem. Your answer should be, the Common Data Service (CDS) provides a unified and scalable data platform that allows organizations to store and manage business data used by Power Platform applications. Some benefits of using CDS includes standardized data schema. CDS provides a standardized data schema with built-in entities and relationships, making it easier to model and manage business data. Integration with Power Platform. CDS seamlessly integrates with Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI, enabling organizations to build end-to-end solutions for app development, workflow automation, and data analytics. Security and compliance. CDS offers robust security features such as role-based access control (RBAC), data loss prevention (DLP) policies, and encryption, helping organizations to protect sensitive data and maintain compliance with regulatory requirements. Extensibility. CDS supports customizations and extensions through solutions, plugins, and custom code, allowing organizations to tailor the data model and business logic to meet specific requirements. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how can Power Platform solutions be deployed and managed across different environments and life cycle stages? Your answer should be, Power Platform solutions can be deployed and managed across different environments and life cycle stages using various tools and techniques such as solution packing. Solutions encapsulate a set of components and configurations that can be exported from one environment and imported into another, enabling consistent deployment and versioning. Environment management. Power Platform environments provides isolated spaces for development, testing and production workloads, allowing organizations to manage solution life cycle and dependencies. ALM tools. Organizations can use application lifecycle management ALM tools such as Power Platform Build Tools, Power Platform CLI, and Azure DevOps pipelines to automate deployment process, enforce governance policies, and track changes across environments. Release management. Implementing release management practices such as release pipelines, approvals, and deployment gates can help to ensure that solutions are deployed successfully and meet quality standards before being promoted to production environments. Our next question is discuss the role of Power BI Embed in embedding Power BI reports and dashboards into custom applications. Your answer should be Power BI Embed allows developers to embed Power BI reports, dashboards, and tiles into custom applications using APIs and SKDS. This enables organizations to deliver rich analytics capabilities directly within their applications without requiring users to have separate Power BI licenses. Power BI Embed supports embedding in web applications, mobile apps, and custom portals, providing flexible integration option to meet diverse business needs. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, you can download it from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, explain the concept of Canvas component in Power Apps and how they enhance app development. Your answer should be, Canvas components in Power Apps are reusable building blocks that encapsulate a set of controls, logic, and styling within a single component. They allow developers to create custom UI elements and functionality that can be reused across multiple screens and apps, promoting consistency and efficiency in app development. Canvas components can be shared with other developers and imported into different apps, making it easy to standardize UI elements and streamline apps development. Our next question is, how does Power Platform support mobile app development and deployment? Your answer should be, Power Platform provides native support for mobile apps development and deployment. Through Power Apps, developers can create responsive and adaptive Canvas apps or model-driven apps that are optimized for mobile devices and can be deployed to iOS, Android, and Windows platforms. Power Apps also provide features such as offline support, device capabilities, integration, and mobile-specific layouts to enhance the mobile app user experience. Our next question is, what are some considerations for designing and implementing Power BI reports and dashboards for optimal performance? Your answer should be, when designing and implementing Power BI reports and dashboards, it is important to consider factors such as data model optimization, query performance, visualization design, data refresh frequency, and distribution and sharing methods. Optimizing data models, minimizing data volume and complexity, using efficient DAX calculations, and optimizing visualizations for performance can help to ensure that Power BI reports and dashboards deliver fast and responsive user experiences. Our next question is, what are the some common challenges you may encounter when building Power Platform solutions and how would you address them? Your answer should be, some common challenges when building Power Platform solutions include managing complex data transformations, handling large data sets, optimizing app performance, addressing security and compliance requirements, and ensuring user adoption and engagement. To address these challenges, it is important to follow best practices, leverage built-in capabilities and features of the Power Platform, collaborate with stakeholders to understand requirements, and continuously iterate and improve solutions based on feedback and lessons learned. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, discuss the importance of user accessibility and inclusivity in Power Platform app design. Your answer should be, user accessibility and inclusivity are essential considerations in Power Platform app design to ensure that applications are usable by all users, including those with disabilities or diverse needs. Designing accessible apps involves using inclusive design principles, providing alternative text for images, ensuring keyboard navigation support, and using high contrast colors and readable fonts, and testing apps with assistive technologies. By prioritizing accessibility, organizations can create more inclusive and user-friendly experiences for all users. Our next question is, how can Power Platform solutions be integrated with custom business applications and legacy systems? Your answer should be, Power Platform solutions can be integrated with custom business applications and legacy systems using various integration techniques such as custom connectors, HTTP actions, Azure functions, Azure Logic apps, and custom APIs. By building integrations with custom business applications and legacy systems, organizations can leverage the capabilities of the Power Platform to extend and modernize existing systems, streamline business processes, and unlock data SILOS for better insights and decision making. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, what are the benefits of using Power Platform alongside Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365? Your answer should be, integrating Power Platform with Microsoft 365 and Dynamics 365 enables organizations to leverage the full power of the Microsoft ecosystem to create end-to-end solutions for productivity, collaboration, and business process automation. By combining Power Platform's low-code, no-code capabilities with the rich functionality of Microsoft 365 application such as SharePoint, Teams, and Outlooks, and Dynamics 365 business applications, organizations can streamline processes, improve data visibility, and enhance employee productivity. Our next question is, explain the concept of governance in the context of Power Platform development and deployment. Your answer should be, governance in Power Platform refers to the set of policies, processes, and controls implemented by organizations to ensure that Power Platform resources are used securely, efficiently, and in accordance with organizational standards and compliance requirements. Governance encompasses areas such as access control, data security, environment management, solution lifecycle management, and monitoring and auditing of usage and activities. Our next question is, how can Power Platform applications be extended and customized using code? Your answer should be, Power Platform applications can be extended and customized using code through various extensibility options such as custom connectors, custom controls, custom APIs, using Azure Functions or custom web services, and custom components for Power Apps. These extensibility options allow developers to integrate with external systems, implement custom business logic, enhance user interface capabilities, and extend the functionality of Power Platform applications to meet specific business requirements. Our next question is, what are some best practices for performance optimization and scalability of Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be, some best practices for performance optimization and scalability of Power Platform solutions include optimizing data queries and filtering to minimize data retrieval, using delegation for large data sets in Power Apps, minimizing the number of connectors and actions in Power Automate workflows, leveraging caching and data flows for data processing and transformation, and optimizing Power BI reports and dashboards for efficient data visualization and rendering. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how does Power Platform ensure data security and compliance with regulatory requirements? Your answer should be, Power Platform provides several features to ensure data security and compliance, including role-based access control (RBAC), data loss prevention (DLP) policies, encryption at rest and in transit, compliance certifications such as ISO, SOC, GDPR, and audit logging and monitoring. Organizations can use these features to enforce access controls, protect sensitive data, and maintain compliance with regulatory requirements. Our next question is, what are Power Platform solution layers and how do they facilitate solution development and management? Your answer should be, Power Platform solution layers represent different components and artifacts within a solution, including entities, fields, views, forms, workflows, and more. Solution layer allows developers to organize and modularize their solution component into logical groups, making it easier to manage and maintain complex solutions. Additionally, solution layer supports versioning and dependency management, enabling developers to track changes and deploy updates efficiently. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, how would you design a Power Automate workflow to automate a multi-step approval process for expense reimbursements? Your answer should be, to design a Power Automate workflow for a multi-step approval process for expense reimbursements, I would define triggers. Use triggers like when a new item is created to initiate a workflow when a new expense reimbursement request is submitted. Implement approval stages. Create multiple approval stages with assigned approvers, like using actions like start and wait for an approval within apply of each loops. Handle approval outcomes. Use conditional branching to handle different approval outcomes, approved, registered or pending, and trigger corresponding actions like sending notifications or updating the status of the reimbursement request. Error handling. Implementing error handling mechanism to handle exceptions or errors using the approval process and notify stakeholders to escalate issues as needed. Our next question is, optimizing Power Apps Canvas app performance with large data sets. This is our question and the answer is, implement delegation for data operations, use control efficiently, minimizing formulas, implement pagination for data loading, cache frequently accessed data locally. Our next question is, benefits and limitations of AI Builder in Power Platform Solutions. Your answer should be, benefits: no-code, low-code AI capabilities, integration with Power Platform, pre-built AI models. Limitation: limited customization, performance constraints, data privacy, and compliance considerations. Our next question is, designing the Power Automate workflow for expense reimbursement approval. Your answer should be, define triggers for new reimbursement requests, create multiple approval stages with assigned approvers, handle approval outcomes with conditional branching, implement error handling for exceptions or errors. Our next question is, how would you handle a scenario where a Power Platform solution needs to be integrated with the external API or service? Your answer should be, identify the requirements and endpoints of the API, utilize Power Automate to create custom connector or use the HTTP action for REST API calls, consider Azure Logic apps for more complex integrations, ensure secure authentication and error handling throughout the processes. Our next question is, can you discuss the process of troubleshooting performance issues in a Power Platform applications? Your answer should be, identify specific areas experiencing slowdowns such as data retrieval or rendering, analyze app designs, data sources and formulas for potential bottlenecks, utilize tools like Performance Analyzer in Power Apps or monitoring tools in Power BI for insights, review connector configurations, deliverable functions and data caching strategies for optimization. Our next question is, how do you ensure data consistency and integrity when working with large data sets in Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be, implement validation rules and constraints for data integrity, perform data cleansing and normalization to remove duplicates and errors, establish automated data synchronization process for consistency, implement error handling mechanism to detect and handle data integration errors proactively. Our next question is, what strategies would you employ to optimize user adoption and engagement with Power Platform solutions within an organization? Your answer should be, prioritize user-centric design principles for intuitive interface, conduct thorough training sessions and provide ongoing support, leverage feedback mechanism to gather insights for improvements, recognize and reward users for their contributions and achievements. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, explain the difference between Canvas apps and model-driven apps in terms of their architecture and use cases. Your answer should be, Canvas apps provide a blank canvas for designing custom user interfaces using drag and drop controls and are ideal for scenarios where users need complete control over the app's design and functionality. Model-driven apps, on the other hand, are built on the top of the common data service and provide a standardized user interface based on data models and business processes, making them suitable for scenarios where data-driven applications with standardized UI are required. Our next question is, what are Power Apps components and how do they facilitate reusability and maintainability of apps? Your answer should be, Power Apps components are self-contained building blocks that encapsulate a set of functionality or UI elements and can be reused across multiple apps. They help to improve app development productivity by promoting reusability and maintainability of common elements such as controls, screens, or logic. Changes made to a component are automatically reflected in all apps where it is used, simplifying maintenance and updates. Our next question is, how can Power Automate be used to automate business processes involving multiple applications and services? Your answer should be, Power Automate enables users to create automated workflows that connect various applications and services to streamline business processes. By using triggers and actions, users can define a sequence of steps required to perform tasks such as data synchronization, notification, approvals, and data processing across different systems. Power Automate also supports conditional logic loops and error handling to create robust and flexible workflows. Our next question is, discuss the role of Power BI in providing actionable insights from data and driving business decision making. Your answer should be, Power BI enables organization to transform raw data into visually compelling reports and dashboards that provide actionable insights into key performance indicators, trends, and patterns. By connecting to a multiple data sources, creating interactive visualizations, and applying advanced analytics techniques, Power BI help users to uncover hidden insights, identify opportunities, and make data-driven decisions that drive business success. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how can Power Virtual Agents be used to create intelligent bots, and automate customer interactions? Your answer should be, Power Virtual Agents allows users to build intelligent chatbots using a no-code interface that leverages natural language processing (NLP) capabilities. Chatbots can be designed to handle common customer inquiries, provide personalized recommendations, automate tasks, and escalate complex issues to human agents when necessary. By integrating with other Power Platform components and external systems, Power Virtual Agents enables organization to deliver personalized and efficient customer experiences. Our next question is, how does Power Platform support integration with external systems and services? Your answer should be, Power Platform supports integration with external systems and services through connectors, which provides pre-built integration points for connecting to a wide range of data sources and APIs. Connectors allow users to interact with external systems seamlessly from within Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI, enabling data exchange, process automation, and real-time communication with external services. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. To find the complete list of question and answers, you can download it from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, discuss the benefits and limitations of using Canvas app versus model-driven apps in Power Apps development. Your answer should be, Canvas app offer flexibility and customization by allowing users to design the user interface from scratch using drag and drop controls and expressions. They are ideal for scenarios where the custom UI designs and interactivity are paramount. On the other hand, model-driven apps provide a structured framework based on the Common Data Service (CDS), offering standardized data models, business logic, and security features out of the box. They are well suited for scenarios where data-driven applications and standardized UI and business processes are required. While Canvas apps offers more flexibility in user design, model-driven apps provide a more structured and scalable approach for enterprise-grade applications. Our next question is, how would you ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements such as GDPR or HIPAA when designing and implementing Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be, to ensure data privacy and compliance with regulatory requirements, I would implement appropriate security measures and data protection mechanism within Power Platform solutions. This includes leveraging role-based access control (RBAC), data encryption and data loss prevention (DLP) policies to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access or disclosure. Additionally, I would conduct privacy impact assessments (PIAS) and compliance audits to identify and mitigate potential risks and ensure adherence to regulatory standards, collaborating with legal and compliance teams to establish data governance policies and protocols can further reinforce data privacy and compliance efforts. Our next question is, how would you approach designing a Power BI dashboard to effectively visualize and communicate key insights from complex data sets? Your answer should be, to design an effective Power BI dashboard, I would start by identifying the key metrics and insights that stakeholders needs to monitor and analyze. Then I would select appropriate visualizations such as charts, graphs and KPIs to present a data in a clear and concise manner. Utilizing features like drill down, filters and slicers can provide interactivity and flexibility for users to explore the data further. Additionally, I would focus on visual aesthetics, layout and storytelling to ensure the dashboard is engaging and easy to understand for the target audience. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, discuss the advantages and challenges of using Power Virtual Agents for building chatbots to automate customer support interactions. Your answer should be, Power Virtual Agents offer several advantages for building chatbots, including low-code, no-code interface, allows business users to create and maintain chatbots without requiring extensive programming language. Integration with Power Platform seamlessly integrates with other Power Platform components like Power Apps and Power Automate for extended functionality. Built-in AI capabilities offers built-in natural language processing (NLP) and pre-built AI models for handling common conversational scenarios. However, challenges may include limited customizations, may not support highly specialized or complex use cases that requires custom code or advanced AI capabilities. Scalability may face limitations in handling large volumes of concurrent users or complex conversation flows. Integration with external systems may require additional development efforts or custom connectors to integrate with external data sources or services. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, how can Power Platform solutions be integrated with Microsoft Teams to enhance collaboration and productivity? Your answer should be, Power Platform solutions can be integrated with Microsoft Teams to enable users to access and interact with apps, workflows and data directly within the team environment. Some integration capabilities include embedding Power Apps and Power BI reports as tabs within team channels or chats, triggering Power Automate workflows from team messages or events and posting notification back to Teams channels. Using Power Virtual Agents chatbots to provide automated assistance and support within Teams conversation. Leveraging the Dataverse of Teams data platform to store and manage business data within Teams. Our next question is, how would you handle a scenario where Power Platform solution needs to integrate with an external API or service? Your answer should be, to integrate a Power Platform solution with an external API or service, I would first identify the requirements and endpoints of the API. Then I would leverage Power Automate to create a custom connector or use the HTTP action to make REST API calls. Alternatively, I might utilize Azure Logic apps for more complex integrations, ensuring secure authentication and error handling throughout the processes. Our next question is, can you explain the process of troubleshooting performance issues in a Power Platform application? Your answer should be, to troubleshoot performance issue in Power Platform application, I would start by identifying the specific area experiencing slowdowns such as data retrieval, processing or rendering. I would then analyze the app's design, data sources and formulas to identify potential bottlenecks. Utilizing tools like Performance Analyzer in Power Apps or monitoring tools in Power BI can provide insights into resource usage and help to optimize the app's performance. Additionally, reviewing connector configurations, deliverable functions, and data caching strategies can further improve performance. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how do you ensure data consistency and integrity when working with large data sets in Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be, to ensure data consistency and integrity with large data sets, I would leverage features into transactions and error handlings within Power Automate workflows or Azure functions to batch and process data in smaller chunks. Utilizing data validation rules and constraints in the Common Data Service (CDS) or external databases can also enforce data integrity. Additionally, implementing proper error logging and retry mechanism can help to mitigate data inconsistencies caused by network issues or transient errors. Our next question is, what strategies would you employ to optimize user adoption and engagement with the Power Platform solution within an organization? Your answer should be, to optimize user adoption and engagement, I would focus on user-centric design applications, providing intuitive interfaces and personalized experience tailored to users' roles and preferences. I would also conduct thorough training sessions and provide ongoing supports to ensure users are familiar with the solution capabilities and benefits. Leveraging feedback mechanisms such as user surveys or user groups can help to gather insights for continuous improvement. Additionally, recognizing and rewarding users for their contributions and achievements can incentivize adoption and promote a culture of innovation. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download a complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is how does Power Platform integrate with Azure services and what are some scenarios where this integration be beneficial? Your answer should be Power Platform integrates with various Azure services such as Azure Functions, Azure Logic Apps, Azure Cognitive Services and Azure Active Directory to extend its capabilities and enhance solution functionality. Some scenarios where this integration is beneficial include integrating with Azure Functions and custom business logic and data processing, using Azure Logic apps for orchestrating complex workflows and integrating with external environments, leveraging Azure Cognitive Service for all-driven capabilities such as natural language processing, NLP and computer vision, integrating with Azure Active Directory for identity and access management, IAM, and single sign-on SSO capabilities. Our next question is, what are the Power Apps PCF controls and how do they enable custom UI development within Power Apps? Your answer should be Power Apps PCF, Power Apps Component Framework controls allow developers to build custom UI controls using standard web technologies such as HTML, CSS and JavaScript and embed them within Power Apps Canvas apps or model-driven apps. PCF controls enables developers to extend the capabilities of Power Apps by adding custom functionality, interactivity and visualizations that are not available out of the box. PCF controls can be used across multiple apps and shared within the broader Power Apps community. Our next question is, explain the concept of Power Apps Power Platform Center of Excellence COE and its role in driving governance and best practices. Your answer should be the Power Platform Center of Excellence COE is a governance strategy and organizational framework that helps to drive adoption, governance and best practices for Power Platform within an organization. The COE typically consists of the multidisciplinary team responsible for establishing governance policies, providing guidance and training, promoting best practices, and overseeing the implementation and adoption of Power Platform solutions. The COE plays a critical role in ensuring that Power Platform initiatives align with organizational goals, adhere to standards and compliance requirements, and deliver value to the business. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, what are the some considerations for designing and implementing security controls in Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be, designing and implementing security controls in Power Platform solution involves considerations such as role-based access control RBAC, define roles and permissions to control access to resources and data based on users' roles and responsibilities, data loss prevention DLP policies, implement policies to prevent the unauthorized sharing of sensitive data and enforce compliance with regulatory requirements. Encryption. Encrypt data at rest and in transit it to protect it from unauthorized access or interception. Environment isolation. Use separate environments for development, testing and production workloads to prevent unauthorized access and ensure data segregation. Monitoring and auditing. Monitor user activities, access requests and data usage to detect and respond to security incidents proactively. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, what is the Power Platform and what are its core components? Your answer should be, a Power Platform is a suite of tools from Microsoft designed to empower users to create custom applications, automate workflows and analyze data. Its core components include Power Apps, Power Automate, Power BI and Power Virtual Agents. Our next question is, can you explain the role of Power Apps in the Power Platform? Your answer should be, Power Apps is a low-code, no-code application development platform that allows users to create custom business applications without writing traditional codes. It offers a drag and drop interface for building apps and integrates seamlessly with the other Microsoft services like SharePoint and Dynamics 365. Our next question is, what is Power Automate and how does it fit into Power Platform ecosystem? Your answer should be, Power Automate is a workflow automation tools that allows users to create automated workflows between their favorite apps and services to synchronize files, get notifications, collect data and more. It integrates with over 300 services and applications including Microsoft 365, Dynamics 365 and Azure. Our next question is, how does Power BI contribute to the Power Platform? Your answer should be, Power BI is a business analytics tool that allows users to visualize and analyze data from a variety of sources. It enables users to create interactive reports and dashboards to gain insights into their data, making data-driven decisions. Power BI integrates seamlessly with other Power Platform components to provide end-to-end business intelligence solutions. Our next question is, what is a Canvas app and how does it differ from a model-driven app in Power Apps? Your answer should be, Canvas apps in a Power Apps allows users to design custom applications with a blank canvas where they can drag and drop elements like buttons, text boxes and galleries to create the user interface. On the other hand, model-driven app is built on top of the Common Data Service (CDS) to provide a standardized user interface based on data models and business process defined in CDS. If you are preparing for any certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Our next question is, how do you secure Power Platform applications and data? Your answer should be, Power Platform offers various security features such as Role-Based Access Control (RBAC), data loss prevention (DLP) policies, and environment isolation. RBAC allows administrators to control access to resources based on users' role, while DLP policies helps to prevent the unauthorized sharing of sensitive data. Environment isolation ensures that apps and data are kept separate to maintain security and compliance. Our next question is, can you explain the concept of connectors in Power Platform? Your answer should be, connectors in Power Platform are pre-built integration points that allows users to interact with external services and data sources. They provide a way to access data from various systems without writing custom code, enabling users to create seamless experiences across different applications and services. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. To find the complete list of questions and answers, you can download the complete list from the playlist provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, what are some common data sources that Power Platform connectors can connect to? Your answer should be, Power Platform connectors can connect to a wide range of data sources including Microsoft 365 such as SharePoint, Excel and Outlook, Dynamics 365, Azure services such as Azure SQL Database and Azure Blob Storage, Salesforce, SQL Server and many others. Additionally, custom connectors can be built to connect to proprietary or custom data sources. Our next question is, what is a Common Data Service (CDS) and how does it integrate with Power Platform? Your answer should be, Common Data Service (CDS) is a secure and scalable data platform that allows users to store and manage business data used by Power Platform applications. It provides a standardized data schema and enables seamless integration between Power Apps, Power Automate and Power BI. CDS also supports data modeling, business logic and security features. Our next question is, explain the concept of environments in Power Platform and their significance. Your answer should be, environments in Power Platform provide isolated spaces for organizations to develop, test and deploy their applications and solutions. Each environment contains its own set of resources such as apps, flows and data sources and can have its own security policies and settings. Environments help organizations to manage the life cycle of their Power Platform assets and maintain separation between different projects or departments. Our next question is, how can Power Platform solution be version controlled and deployed across different environments? Your answer should be, Power Platform solutions can be exported as a package file which contains all the components of the solution, including apps, flows, connections, and data model definitions. These package files can then be version controlled using source control systems like GIT. To deploy solutions across different environments, organizations can use tools like Power Platform Build Tools, Power Platform CLI, or Azure DevOps pipelines for automated deployment. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, What are Power Platform data flows and how do they enhance data integration and transformation capabilities? Your answer should be Power Platform data flows allows users to create ETL, extract, transform, load processes to ingest, transform and load data from various sources into a common data service or other destinations. Data flows provide a visual interface for defining data transformations using Power Query enables users to clean, enrich and combine data from multiple sources before storing it in a unified data model. Our next question is, how does Power Apps portals extend the functionality of Power Apps for external users? Your answer should be Power Apps portals allows organizations to create external facing websites that enable interaction with data stored in a common data service or other data sources using Power Apps. It provides capabilities for building self-service portals, customer service portals and partner portals, enabling organizations to engage with customers, partners and external stakeholders more effectively. If you are preparing for any Microsoft Pay certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our next question is, what are triggers and actions in Power Automate? Your answer should be, triggers initiate workflows based on specific events, while actions perform specific tasks within a workflow. Our next question is, explain the concept of error handling in Power Automate. Your answer should be, error handling involves adding error branches in flows to catch and manage errors gracefully with options to retry, send notifications or escalate. Our next question is, how can you schedule recurring flows in Power Automate? Your answer should be, use scheduled cloud flows triggered at specific intervals or times to automate recurring tasks. Our next question is, what is Power BI and how does it enable data visualization? Your answer should be, Power BI is a business analytics tool that transforms data into rich visuals, enabling organizations to make informed decisions based on data insights. Our next question is, describe the difference between reports, dashboards and data sets in Power BI. The answer should be, reports are individual pages with visualizations, dashboards are collections of visuals from multiple reports, and data sets are structured data used in reports. Our next question is, how do you optimize Power BI reports for performance? Your answer should be, use query folding, optimize data models, minimize visual elements and leverage features like aggregations and composite models. Our next question is, explain the purpose of DAX, data analysis expressions in Power BI. Your answer should be, DAX is a formula language used to create custom calculations and aggregations in Power BI reports and data models. Our next question is, how can you secure and share Power BI content with specific users or groups? Your answer should be, use row-level security RLS, app workspaces, and Azure Active Directory AAD to control access to Power BI content. Now here comes the Common Data Service CDS questions. The question is, what is Common Data Service and how does it support Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be CDS is a secure data platform that allows organizations to model and manage business data apps used by Power Apps, Power Automate, and Power BI. Our next question is, explain the concept of entities, fields, and relationships in CDS. Your answer should be, entities are data tables representing business concepts. Fields are attributes within entities and relationships define how entities are related. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how can you extend CDS to support custom business requirements? Your answer should be, use custom entities, fields and relationships along with business rules, workflows and plugins to extend CDS functionality. Our next question is, describe the role of solutions in CDS and Power Platform development. Your answer should be, solutions are containers used to package and manage CDS components, allowing for easier deployment and management across environments. Our next question is, how do you import and export data into a CDS? Your answer should be, use data import templates, Power Query or Power Automate to import data into CDS entities and leverage data export capabilities for extracting data. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Our question is, how do you approach designing user interface for Power Apps to ensure optimal user experiences across different devices and screen size? Your answer should be, utilize responsive design principles to ensure adaptability to various screen sizes. Prioritize simplicity and clarity in UI design to enhance usability. Test the app on different devices and screen resolution to ensure consistent performance. Leverage built-in controls and layouts that automatically adjust based on screen size. Our next question is, discuss the benefits of using Power BI Embed for embedding reports and dashboards into custom applications. Your answer should be, Power BI Embed allows for seamless integration of interactive reports and dashboards directly into custom applications. It provides flexibility in terms of customization, allowing developers to tailor the embed reports to match the application's branding and user interface. Power BI Embed supports embedding in web, mobile and desktop applications, providing a consistent user experience across different platforms. With Power BI Embed, organizations can leverage the power of Power BI for data visualization and analysis without requiring users to have a separate Power BI license. Our next question is, How would you ensure data security and compliance when integrating Power Platform solution with external systems or services? Your answer should be implement secure authentication mechanism such as OAuth or API keys to authenticate users to ensure secure communication between systems. Encrypt sensitive data both at rest and in transit to protect it from unauthorized access. Implement data loss prevention (DLP) policies to prevent the unauthorized sharing of sensitive information. Regularly audit and monitor data access and usage to detect and mitigate any security vulnerabilities or compliance risks. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, how do you optimize Power Apps Canvas app for performance with large data sets? Your answer should be implement delegation, minimize control and formulas, use pagination and cache data locally. Our next question is, what are the benefits of using components in Power Apps? Your answer should be components allows reusability of UI controls access across multiple apps, promoting consistency and efficiency in app development. Our next question is, how can you implement custom business logic in Power Apps? Your answer should be use formulas and expression within controls or implement custom logic using Power Automate, formerly Flow, for more complex scenarios. Our next question is, describe the purpose of Power Automate and its key capabilities. Your answer should be, Power Automate is a workflow automation tool that allows users to automate repetitive tasks and integrate processes across applications and services. Our next question is, how would you handle approval workflows using Power Automate? Your answer should be, use start and wait for an approval action within a loop for multiple approvers with branching logic to handle different outcomes. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. Now here comes integration and administration questions. The question is, how would you integrate Power Platform solutions with external services or in systems? Your answer should be, use connectors and APIs to integrate with external systems, leveraging Power Automate for workflow automation and data exchange. Our next question is, discuss the role of Azure services in extending Power Platform capabilities. Your answer should be, Azure services such as Azure Functions, Azure Logic Apps and Azure Cognitive Services can be used to extend Power Platform solutions with custom business logic and AI capabilities. Our next question is, how can you manage environments and deployment in Power Platform? Your answer should be, use environment management features to create, manage and deploy solutions across development, testing and production environments. Our next question is, explain the process of monitoring and optimizing Power Platform performance. Your answer should be, Utilize monitoring tools like Power Platform Admin Center and Azure Application Insights to monitor usage, diagnose issues, and optimize performance. Our next question is, how do you ensure data privacy and compliance when developing and deploying Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be implement security best practices, encryption and compliance controls to protect sensitive data and ensure adherence to regulatory requirements. Now here starts the development best practice questions. The question is, what is delegation and why it is important in Power Platform development? Your answer should be, delegation allows pushing data operations to data sources, improving performance by processing data at the source rather than in memory. Our next question is, describe the benefits of using source control and versioning in Power Platform development. Your answer should be, source control enables collaboration, versioning, and rollback capabilities, ensuring code and configuration changes are tracked and managed. Our next question is, how do you handle dependencies and manage solution lifecycle in Power Platform development? Your answer should be, use solution segmentation, dependencies, and solution lifecycle management features to ensure smooth deployment and maintenance of solutions. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, explain the role of Power Platform Center of Excellence (COE) in driving governance and best practices. Your answer should be, COE establishes governance policies, provides guidance, and oversees the adoption of Power Platform solutions, ensuring alignment and organizational goals and standards. Our next question is, what strategies would you employ to optimize user adoption and engagement with Power Platform solutions? Your answer should be, provide training supports and incentives for users, gather feedback and continuously improve user experience based on usage patterns and needs. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. If you like our content, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, how would you approach designing a Power App solution for mobile devices with limited screen real estate? Your answer should be, when designing a Power Apps solutions for mobile devices, I would prioritize simplicity and usability by focusing on essential functionality and minimizing clutter. Utilizing responsive design techniques such as adaptive layouts and flexible controls can ensure the apps adapts well to different screen size and orientations. Additionally, leveraging native device capabilities like touch gestures and device sensors can enhance the user experience to make the app feel more intuitive and natural on mobile devices. Our next question is, can you discuss the importance of accessibility considerations in Power Platform app development? Your answer should be, accessibility considerations are crucial in Power platform app development to ensure that applications are usable by all users, including those with disabilities or diverse needs, incorporating accessibility features such as keyboard navigation, screen reader compatibility, and high contrast modes can make the app accessible to the wider audience and comply with accessibility standards like WCAG, prioritizing inclusive design principles and conducting accessibility testing with users of diverse abilities can help to identify and address accessibility barriers effectively. Our next question is, how would you manage dependencies and version controls when deploying Power Platform solution across multiple environments? Your answer should be managing dependencies and version control when deploying Power Platform solutions involves creating solution packages that encapsulate all required components and configurations. I would use environment variable and solution segmentation to handle environment specific settings and configurations. Leveraging source control systems like Azure DevOps or GitHub can facilitate version control and collaboration among team members. Additionally, implementing release pipelines and automated deployment processes can ensure consistent and reliable deployment across different environments while minimizing manual errors. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, what role does Power Automate play in integrating Power Platform solutions with external systems, and how would you handle complex data transformations within a workflow? Your answer should be, Power Automate serves as a powerful tool for automating workflows and integrating Power Platform solutions with external systems. To handle complex data transformations within a workflow, I would leverage Power Automate built-in data operations and transformations actions such as parse JSON, compose, and apply to each. Additionally, I might use custom expressions and functions to manipulate data structures, implement conditional logic, and handle error scenarios, ensuring data consistency and accuracy throughout the process. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are discussing interview question and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Developer Associate PL-400. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment and subscribe. You can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Do share please. The question is, how would you manage dependencies and version controls when deploying Power Platform solutions across multiple environments? Your answer should be, create solution packages encapsulating required components and configurations. Utilize environment variables and solution segmentation for environment-specific settings. Leverage source control systems like Azure DevOps or GitHub for version control. Implement release pipelines and automated deployment processes for consistency and reliability. Our next question is, discuss the importance of accessibility considerations in Power Platform app development. Your answer should be, accessibility ensures that applications are usable by all users, including those with disabilities. Incorporate features like keyboard navigation, screen reader compatibility, and high contrast modes. Conduct accessibility testing with users of diverse abilities for identification and resolution of barriers. Prioritize inclusive design principles for more inclusive and user-friendly experience. Our next question is, how would you approach designing a Power BI dashboard to effectively visualize and communicate key insights from complex data sets? Your answer should be identify key metrics and insights for stakeholders, select appropriate visualizations like charts, graphs, and KPIs, utilize features like drill down, filters, and slicers for interactivity, focus on visual aesthetics, layouts, and storytelling for engagement. Our next question is, how would you ensure data privacy and compliance when building Power Platform solutions that handle sensitive information? Your answer should be implement role-based access control (RBAC) to restrict access to sensitive data, utilize data loss prevention (DLP) policies to prevent unauthorized data sharing, encrypt data at rest and in transit to protect from unauthorized access, ensure compliance with relevant regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, or SOC. If you find this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Our next question is, discuss the role of Power Automate in streamlining business processes and improving productivity within an organization. Your answer should be Power Automate automates repetitive tasks and processes, reducing manual efforts and errors. It integrates with various services and applications, allowing seamless data exchange and workflow automation. Power Automate offers a wide range of pre-built templates and connectors, enabling quick implementation of common automation scenarios. By automating routine tasks, Power Automate frees up times for employees to focus on more strategic and value-added activities. If you are preparing for any Microsoft-based certification, you can download the complete list of valid, tried, tested, and updated question and answers from the playlist link provided in the description. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you.